Good snoring tips that anyone can try out. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. Sleep more upright. Elevating your upper body can relieve both gravity and pressure, allowing you to get a full night's rest without snoring. Use pillows or put some bricks under the headboard. Even just a slight elevation can stop you from snoring, so try it out and see what height works best for you. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only one or two pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. Not eating a large meal close to bedtime is one of the best ways to prevent snoring. When your stomach is too full, it can make its way up to your diaphragm, thus, limiting your breathing and causing snoring. Stick with big meals at dinner time and have a light snack instead before bed. Alcohol should be avoided to help alleviate snoring. There are many other substances to avoid close to bedtime when battling snoring. These substances include tranquilizers, sleeping pills and antihistamines. Because these substances relax the muscles and tissues of the air passages, your breathing can be impaired and you may begin to snore. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.